it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Yarnaby from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. So let's do it, all right? It's going to be real simple so you can follow along with me. And feel free to pause it if you need to. So right now I'm going to start with the left side of the paperish, and I'm going to draw just a circle. You know, you could make it slightly egg-like, but you can draw it slowly like that as well. It doesn't have to be all at once, because I know in a marker, I mean, if you're probably using a pencil or something, it doesn't matter what you use. I do recommend a marker, though. It can be risky to just draw a circle, because it might go crazy on you, you know? So you can draw it in pieces like that to give yourself a little bit more wiggle room and a little bit more comfort. So that's his head. And what I want to do is I'm going to start with the outside. Well, let's start with the hair first. So on the top of his head right here, we're going to go up, down. It's like a French fry, bent. That's the way I want to do it. Over here, another. Just think of like a box that's bent, or like some French fries that are... And it doesn't matter how far you do it. See? Just kind of put it out like that. Right there. All right. The other thing I want to do is I want to go over here. So we have just a few fries sticking out of his head. They're not French fries, but they're like, you know, hair. And so now he's going to have like a lion's mane around here. So what I want to do, I want you to do, is going to go out over here and just kind of draw inward and outward, a little boxy-ish, but making sure to keep distance between the head here. And it's going to be like a lion's mane right here. We just want to boxy it out. Same thing over here on this side. There we go. And so now that we have that jaggediness, I want you to draw some lines radiating from that head shape. The reason you want that is because it's going to make it a little bit more clean. Well, basically it's easier to do this and then do the outer part. It's easier to draw the outer part than do this and, you know, chop it up. Right? You're just drawing straight lines, radiating it out like it's a sun, right? Like sunshine lines. If you want a certain character drawn, by the way, go ahead and recommend it below. I'm trying to go through like everything I can possibly go through on the drawing lessons, so definitely taking you know, suggestions, because sometimes I'll sit there and I'm like, what do I draw today, right? So, but if you guys kind of like say, hey, I want this, then absolutely line out. We're still radiating these lines outward, just straight lines out. Oopsie daisy. It's fun to do it. It's kind of relaxing, right? To do this. There we go. Maybe you can see it through here a little bit. Line over here. My dog is playing around in the other room. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like a squeaky toy. Over here. There you go. Whew, going good so far. And we want his paws. He's got like a lion-like, at least body part of it. So we're going to go over here and draw a line out. Line down over here for his leg. Over here. And draw up over here, down. About the top of here. Curve down for the nail. Right there. Over here on this side. Down over here. And then over here as well with a nail curving out. It's basically the way, you know, his foot is going to be. Bottom of his body right there. And then we're going to have his other foot sticking out on this side. So line, line. Curve down. Up over here. Over here. Right there on that side. Over here on this side. There you go. So now you have his other foot on this side. Now, we want the rest of his body over here to be in layers, so something like that. So we have this exact curve. We're going to draw it over here on this side, and then another one, and then another one right there, and another one right here. And then we're going to have his back foot, which is smaller, right, because we're looking, there's perspective. Start with the nail first. Line over here for the other nail. Line over there. And then we're going to go over here on this side. And now we need to throw little dividers on these as well. You can just do them really quick. I know it tends to feel like a lot of lines, but same thing. They're kind of radiating from the middle. Just kind of chopping these lines up, and you know, it's fun to do. It's got very colorful. It's got, you know, it's kind of like a rainbow color to them in general. But yeah, if you he's real scary though. If you like this, definitely hit that like button. And all right, let's get to the main part, his face. Gonna go over here. He's got a very large eye on that side. Then we're gonna go over here. Large eye on this side. Okay. And we're gonna draw another, if you can, we're trying to leave like a ring on the outside. His pupils are gonna be very big. Right there. And then we're gonna draw like a little circle in the middle, and now we have to fill in this dark spot right here. So yeah, there we go. Just filling this in. Cool. Same thing over here, just filling it in. I'm sure it's a lot easier on pencil probably to fill it in, like large areas like that. Or maybe not. Maybe you have to, like, you know, press into it and get the value a little bit darker. Cool. This one I'm gonna make it a little bit, go a little bit outward. Gonna go right here. Smile. We're gonna draw the teeth aiming upward, like so. And we're gonna draw a thin line through the center of his face, as thin as you can make it, because his face does open up in general. If you want, you can fill this dark down here because it's the lower portion of his body. You know, for artistic reasons, I would fill that in. But yeah, thank you so much. If you're here till this point, you made it through the entire video. You're one of the rare few that makes it through an entire, you know, YouTube video in general, because you know, any videos in general, normally there's like nobody at the end. But you're amazing. Thank you so much. Say hi to me in the comment section, and I'll know that you made it to this point and that you heard this. And I will talk to you in the next video. Stay here. We're going through another video lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.